In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Calendly subscription. If you're ready to free up your calendar, I'll guide you through each step in this process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to Calendly's website, open your favorite web browser, and simply type in the URL calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the main page of this popular online appointment scheduling software known for its intuitive interface. Now, to proceed, click on the Continue with Google button. This option provides a seamless login experience, especially if you've been using Google to manage your appointments. It ensures that your account details are safely transferred, and you can access Calendly without having to remember another set of credentials. On the login page, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. In this demonstration, I'll be clicking on an account associated with an individual named Prince Sagrado for illustration purposes, but you'll want to select the account you primarily use with Calendly. This step connects your Google Calendar, which is essential for most users who rely on Google for time management. After logging in, you're presented with the Calendly interface. Here, you're going to navigate to the Admin Center. The Admin Center is your control hub, offering a suite of tools to manage your account settings effectively. Just click on the Admin Center and take a brief moment to explore if you're curious about the different options available. But for today's purpose, let's focus on what we came here to do. Next up, find the billing section in your admin dashboard. This is where all your subscription details reside. Here's a pro tip. If you're ever unsure where a specific section is, look around for a billing or account tab. It's usually in the main menu for most services. Now, within the billing section, you're going to see an option called Choose a Plan That Fits. Though it sounds like you're about to upgrade, this section is key for adjusting your subscription, including canceling it. Don't be alarmed by the language. This is where you'll manage your plans, whether you're looking to scale down, upgrade, or completely end your subscription. To conclude your session, follow the prompts provided in the Choose a Plan That Fits section to finalize canceling your Calendly subscription. The interface provides a step-by-step guide to ensure you're making the right decision and that all the information is crystal clear. Keep an eye out for any confirmation messages or emails that say the cancellation process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of ending your Calendly subscription. Be sure to double check that your account reflects the cancellation, and if you run into any problems, Calendly support team is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides.